I remember not so long ago, the industry pushed the throttle to speed up the adoption of a standard and open die-to-die connectivity, Universal Chiplet Interconnect Express, or UCIe. And now, 36 gig is a standard offering from Alphawave Semi, which is an amazing technology. And as impressive as 36 gig is, I want to talk with you about the next generation of UCIe, which is 64 gig, and where we are going with that. Hi, my name is Soni Kapoor, and I'm a product marketing manager here at Alphawave Semi. I have over 15 years of experience in this industry, and I'm excited to tell you the story of UCIe die-to-die connectivity solutions here at Alphawave Semi, and how we are always pushing the boundaries to enable the industry with ultra-high performance UCIe IP subsystems, and now at 64 gig per lane. Let's start with why we need 64 gig UCIe. We have UCIe silicon running successfully in the lab at 36 gig. So why faster? Scaling connectivity efficiently and effectively to support the growth of AI clusters requires high-speed, low-latency interconnects to handle the massive data throughput required by AI applications. On a higher level, chiplet-based architecture brings many advantages in terms of cost, performance, and yield. In a larger, disaggregated system, each of these chiplets are optimized for specific functions like compute, memory, or I/O, using the most optimal process node. They are then integrated into system-in-package, offering increased flexibility, performance, and cost-effectiveness compared to single large chips. But the basic building blocks or the Lego pieces enabling the high-speed connectivity between these chiplets is UCIe, or die-to-die IP, which also uses the precious available shoreline on each of these chiplet dies. That's why we want to pack higher and higher data bandwidth in a smaller and smaller shoreline with these UCIe IPs. And the reason why the 64 gig is definitely needed to satisfy the increasing demand of higher bandwidth density for die-to-die interconnects. As an active contributing member of the UCIe consortium since day one, Alphawave Semi is shaping the open and interoperable chiplet ecosystem for the next generation of data centers and AI systems. Our low-power, low-latency, and high-performance die-to-die PHY and controller deliver purpose-built solutions for AI applications. Taking this strong silicon-proven UCIe-based platform as our architecture foundation, now we are going one notch higher with our most optimized UCIe IP. We call it Extended UCIe. And the motivation behind the Extended UCIe is simple: provide a more higher performance and ultra-low power die-to-die interface, which is enabling our customers for their next generation of multi-die system-in-package designs. With Alphawave's Extended UCIe IP subsystem, we are selectively tuning our silicon-proven architecture to build an application-specific, most optimized die-to-die interface. This is to squeeze the best performance for the hyperscalers and large-scale AI applications. As the demand for higher performance and cost optimization continues to grow, designing UCIe die-to-die interfaces that serve a diverse range of packaging options become essential. New package technologies are enabling new potential in die-to-die interface. The complete UCIe IP subsystem from Alphawave Semi provides design flexibility over multiple form factors, such as standard packaging with organic substrate, advanced packaging with silicon interposer, RDL, silicon bridge type solutions, and hybrid bonding with 3D stack. UCIe die-to-die interconnects facilitate a range of standard and emerging chiplet connectivity scenarios. Common uses are linking compute chiplets for a low latency coherent connection through UCIe's streaming capabilities, as well as connecting compute to I/O chiplets using UCIe interface with PCIe, CXL, or Ethernet. Additionally, the applications that need optical connectivity can leverage the UCIe chiplet architecture to establish efficient, low-latency optical I/O links through optical engines, enhancing off-system connectivity. This supports the development of low-power, high-speed solutions in data centers and AI applications. For high-performance applications, creating a custom HBM high bandwidth memory-based die using the latest UCIe IP is a cutting-edge approach. It involves tightly integrating memory die with compute die to achieve extremely high bandwidth as well as low latency between the components. This allows the reuse of die-to-die shoreline already occupied on the main die for core-to-core or core-to-IO connections. This approach greatly optimizes memory transactions in AI applications, where low power and reduced latency are performance differentiators. We are proud to say that AlphaWave Semi is actively engaged and already providing its UCIe IP subsystem to serve all these standard and emerging chiplet connectivity scenarios for our customers and industry ecosystem partners. AlphaWave Semi's UCIe is a critical part of our foundational AI platform, which includes our complete portfolio of silicon IP subsystems as the building blocks of the custom silicon and chiplets offering. These building blocks are 224G SerDes for ultra-fast data transmission, UA-Link and UEC controllers, custom HBM and HBM4 controller, and silicon-proven chiplets, which are now evolving into custom chiplets using the best-in-class technology from our AlphaWave IP portfolio. All these solutions are available today on the most advanced process technology nodes, addressing all aspects of connectivity in the data centers and AI systems. These are exciting times for chiplet-based architecture and the next generation of AI applications. And here at AlphaWave Semi, we are working to advance our UCIe technology to support 64G per lane data rates and creating the most optimized extended UCIe IP subsystems. We are here to get us all one step closer to our industry's big vision of a scalable, open, and interoperable chiplet ecosystem. Stay tuned for ongoing updates as the entire ecosystem for die-to-die interface development is pushing the boundaries to never-before-seen UCIe connectivity data rates. Please contact us to learn more about this exciting technology. Thank you so much for your time and attention.